This video is published by mbkpinternational.com. This video we're going to talk about replacing the touchpad on the XPC19 Pro. See, this is one right here. It's just, you just peel off the back here. We're going to go ahead and reuse that one, but it's just a sticker. You peel the backing off and stick it on. And we're just going to, first thing you're going to do is unplug the cover from power. And you're going to come over here and there's going to be 2 Phillips screws there you take out. 2 on the other side. And you can lift this up here, straight up. And it's usually the first one here, or the one in closer, but it's the one going straight up. Just want to unplug that and take this. You're going to take this to a workbench somewhere. And you can see, if this is kind of a tight box here. Sometimes they're cut out further like that. And it gives you room to kind of take it off and plug a new one in, because there's the plug for it right there. On this one, we can't do that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this whole screen here. Give me 1 second. Okay, again, if there was a bigger opening here and you had room to unplug this, you could just unplug this right here, and then get something to peel this off, and then put your new one on. And just plug it in and just stick it on good. But since this one does not have the room, I'm going to assume yours does not either, and we're going to go ahead and take it off. You need a 7mm socket. And we're going to take, there's 1, 2, 3, and there's another one you can't see under there. Good. Okay, I got all 4 nuts off. And you can unplug this if you want. Sometimes this thing is zip tied to the corner of this, and like this one is. And sometimes it has another stick square, and it's on that stick square. I'm going to see if I can do this without unplugging it, but you could just unplug it if you want, especially if you had a stick square there. But if it's zip tied to this actual unit here, you can see you can do it without taking it. You can see it just kind of makes it a pain in the butt there, so I'm going to go ahead and have to cut that off. Let's use this, and I'll nip this zip tie off here. Check make sure you didn't damage your data wire. Okay, now I'll go ahead and unplug it. And I can take it off. And this is basically it here. You're just going to unplug it here. And if you notice when I'm unplugging it, see how it's got those holes on it there, showing the wiring behind it there? This side is smooth. Remember where you put it on, you're going to have to put it on like this with these holes facing up as you got this like this. If you put it on like this, everything's gonna be all backwards and not work correctly. So it goes back on like that. And now this is just loose off here. There's that zip tie I took off it. Give me 1 second here. Okay, just need to find something to start prying it off. Get a corner here. And once you get it, you can see they just come right off. And then you'll get your new one. Again, I'm going to put this one back on because it's good, but you'd peel your backing off, and then what you'd have is this. Check to make sure there's no film here that needs to be peeled off. Sometimes, not all the time, there's some protective film there that needs to be peeled off. And you get your new one. You're going to feed that into the bottom area of it, and just line it up into this holder, and just push it down. You can make sure your screen is clean. Get some microfiber on both sides of this. That way, because once you get it on there, you could have a smudge there from your thumb or something else, or some debris. Just make sure your screen's clean, and then you can put this on. And just rub it down. And then we're gonna plug this in. And again, it goes like this. You can kind of loop it around if you want. And keep it down, so it doesn't get, but just make sure you don't miss any of those prongs. You get all of them in there, and then you're going to have to push it in, and you'll be able to see how far it goes in here. There, about that much is sticking out, and now this will go in there and it'll be like that. So put this on back on like that. And then just put your nuts back on. I'll go ahead and do that now. Okay, I got all the nuts started, and I'm just going to tighten them down. These just go on light, snug tight. They don't, nothing heavy, because these posts go into plastic, and they'll strip out inside that plastic fairly easy. So you just want nice, lightly snug tight. We're just going to plug this back in. Check all your wires, make sure none of them are backing out. And again, make sure if you had to cut that off, or if you have to cut it off here with a zip tie, if it's on a stick square there with a zip tie, you shouldn't have to cut it off. So, but if it was stuck to that, you do. This does not have any. It didn't cut it anywhere or mess it up. Because if it's cut or messed up, you're going to need a new data wire. And just plug that back in. And the reason it's zip tie, you don't want this out. When it's inside there, there's that big gear here. You don't want to hit that. So what I'm going to do is, instead of attaching that post, I'm just going to put a stick square there. Show you what I mean by that. You have two options. You can go in here and get on that post again behind it, like that, like they did, and zip tie it down like that. Or you can do what I did here with this stick square. Just going to keep it out of the way. And that's basically, we'll cut this off. Okay. Just like so. Make sure this is still plugged in nice and all the way in. And just basically going to reverse the process here. Your wire should be hanging down, or you should be on the fishboard. If you don't see it, there's it is right there. And then just plug it in there. And put it on nice and easy. You want to get the crown, you got that. You want to get this over that, obviously, on both sides. It could go behind it the other way on the other side, so make sure it's over it on both sides. And put your 4 screws back in. Turn your cutter on and test your touchpad. This video was published by mbkpinternational.com.